In this step, you will complete the student information and student documents sections. In the student information section, you may enter the teacher request in the comment section. Select the pre-enrolled learning community, which is the program you wish to enroll your student in. Please refer to our website or give us a call for more information on these programs. Next, enter your child's demographic information, such as their legal name, date of birth, grade level for the applying school year, contact information, as well as the health questionnaire. You may select Refer to Household for Address to import that information from the previous step. When filling out the student information, under Previous School, you will come to a question, enrolled less than 3 cumulative years in the U.S. If your student was born in the U.S., please select No for this question. If your student was born outside of the country, please select Yes or No, depending on the cumulative years they have been enrolled in the U.S. Regardless of the country of birth, please fill out the date your student was first enrolled in a U.S. school, as well as the date of their first enrollment in a California school. If you have never lived outside of California, these dates will be the same. Remember to click on Save New Student Record to move to the next step. To add another student application to your household, click on New Student Application at the bottom of the screen. Before we move on to the student documents section of Step 3, let's review what documents are required to be submitted at the time of enrollment. Please be sure that documents are legible and that your child's name is clearly printed or handwritten on each document. Uploading compliant and legible documents the very first time will avoid delays in the enrollment. If you do not own a scanner, we have provided a link to a tutorial in the description on how to use the free Cam Scanner app, which turns your smartphone or tablet into a scanner. Birth certificate. You must submit a hospital-issued certificate, government-issued identification, such as a certificate of live birth issued by your county clerk, or a passport. Immunizations. Proof of immunization or documentation reflecting exemption. This may be an immunization record, a personal belief exception form, which must be dated on or before December 31st of 2015, a parent or doctor's statement of exemption, and lastly, if none of these are available to you, you may submit a California school immunization record. The link to this form has been provided in the description box below. Simply complete the child's demographic and contact information and sign the second page. The immunization information can be omitted. The next required document is proof of residence. This may be a utility bill reflecting a service to your home, dated within the last 60 days. This may include cable, gas, water, electric, waste, mortgage statement, rental or lease agreement. Please be sure the bill reflects a member of the family listed on the application. If you are not a renter or homeowner, you may use an affidavit to verify residence. A link to this form has been provided in the description box below. For students enrolling in a specialty program, you will need to submit a partnership certificate. Contact the specialty program directly for more information. If your child is enrolling in our high school program, transcripts are required. Parents or guardians will need to request unofficial transcripts from their student's current or previous school. The transcript should reflect the courses the student has taken during their entire high school education, as well as the grades and credits received. If the student will be entering the 9th grade, a final 8th grade report card is required. If your student has an IEP or 504 plan, please submit a copy of the entire document, as well as any other legal documents. In this section, you will be prompted to sign and upload the required documents, which are marked with a red X. Once all required information has been submitted and all documentation has successfully been uploaded, the red X's will turn into green check marks. Well done! You are now ready to move to the last step of the enrollment process.